everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing Tiffany from The Bride of Chucky, and I'm super excited to get into the spooky season, and Halloween is coming up and it is my favorite holiday. So if you guys are interested, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below before you continue on the video. Let's do it. Alright, first I'm going to go ahead and block out my eyebrows. I've actually surprisingly never done this before, so come along with me for the chaos because I'm kind of excited. I know how to do it. I've seen a lot of videos on how to do it, so I think we've got a head start. But you never know with makeup. Sometimes it can turn, so let's see how it goes. And I'm also very nervous to be using glue on my eyebrows. I hope it doesn't pull them out, but everybody else does it, so why can't your girl do it, you know? Here we go. So the main point of doing this is to get your eyebrows as flat to your face as you can possibly get them so we can cover them after this process. Alright, I'm going to let that layer dry and then go in with another. Alright, layer number 2. Man, I never realized how long my eyebrow hairs were until this moment. Can anybody else relate to the madness? Alright, layer number 3. Alright, it's starting to get a little chunky, so we're going to stop there and I'm going to wipe off the excess around the brows. Alright, this is what we're left with. I'm going to go ahead and go in with some powder to take away the shine and then some concealer. I'm scared. My eyebrows look insane. Honestly, I don't know how good you can block out my eyebrows in the first place because they're so thick. So let's see how this goes. I knew this part would make me nervous, but I really wanted to get her super thin, high, like 90s brows in, so here we are. Yeah! So let me know down in the comments below what you guys are most excited for Halloween. I know there's a lot of new Halloween movies coming out. Like, I know there's a new It, Chucky. What are the other ones? I think there's a new Freddy movie. There's just a whole slew of new Halloween movies coming out, so I'm curious if you guys are really interested in any of those. Are you guys excited to dress up for Halloween? I haven't made an outfit or anything for that night, but I don't really plan on doing much unless I hand out candy. Then maybe this look will come in handy. So if you guys end up using this tutorial and this look on Halloween, please make sure to comment down below because I'm really curious what you guys and your interpretation of it. Make sure to tag me in it because I would love to see your interpretation. She's starting to look eyebrowless, and I'm loving it. And I need to move on because this is taking forever. Alright, now we're finally moving on. I'm going to go in with the Rare Beauty foundation and just put that all over my face. I love how I'm about to look like a little bald baby in a minute. I love that for me. You know, it kind of reminds me of, though, Lady Gaga's look in American Horror Story Hotel. If you guys have seen that season, please comment down below and let me know what your favorite part was. Honestly, mine was probably her look because she just went off, you know? I don't know how else to explain it. You'd have to see it to believe it. So if you haven't seen her with her bleached eyebrows acting in American Horror Story, go look up a picture. It's totally worth it. I love her bleached brows and what they did with her in that season. It was so good. Muy bueno. Chef's kiss. But I haven't seen the new American Horror Story, so if you guys are watching, let me know how it is down below, because I'm curious if it's like completely different, because I know it's like a different story each time, or maybe that's the old one. I think I'm really behind on American Horror Story, y'all, so y'all are gonna have to tune me in down below, because I'm slacking here. I look so scary right now. Like, I don't think I've ever looked this great on camera before. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and blend this all out and just do my regular base. Kind of little toned back just because she doesn't have as much makeup as I would usually wear. But I'm going to go ahead and do my base and I'll be right back for the eyebrows. Alright, although I know Tiffany doesn't wear like a bronzer blush duo, she has a little bit of color under her eyes and on her cheeks. So I had to make a little bit glam for myself just to fit me. So I applied a little bit of blush and bronzer just in my normal places, and now I'm going to go in with the NYX Modern Dreamer palette, and I'm going to be using this shade at the very end, and I'm going to go buff that out, all blown out into my crease and my under eye. Alright friends, now that we have that blown out smoky transition shade, I'm going to go ahead and go in with black for her iconic original black smoky eye. And I'm just going to use the James Charles X Morphe palette for that black, because even if we don't like James as much, we really like his palette. I think a lot of artists can agree with me on that. It has a lot of variety and everything. So we're going in with that black because it is pigmented. And I am just packing on this color in the areas to get that pigment down. And she has more of a circular smoky eye shape. I'm going higher in the middle and lower at the edges. Alright, and then I'm just going to go around the edges and kind of buff those out. I'm just going to take a little bit more of that transition shade and go right over the edge of that black to mend those two together. Alright guys, I think it is about time for the long-awaited eyebrows. Tiffany has very unusual but lovely, like skinny mini 90s brows. They're super arched, super high, and super dark, especially for a blonde. So I'm excited. I think I'm gonna apply them right above my eyebrows just to, you know, play around with those black brows, and I think that placement will be very good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw those out. Alright, I'm thinking that is pretty good for the brows, so I'm going to go ahead and do her lips and her signature P mark. So let's do that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a black pencil liner. I'm just using the Kat Von D Cake pencil, and I'm gonna line my lips like hers. And she does a very pointy edge, so I'm gonna stray against my norm and not go super rounded. I'll be super sharp with it. She literally does a triangle for her cupid's eye. Alright guys, the last thing to do is lashes, so I'm going to go grab a thick, beautiful pair and slap those on real quick. And then just a little bit of lower lash mascara to finish off the look, and then I'll see you guys back with the wig and the final outfit. Alright guys, this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. It really does help me out a lot. I had so much fun doing this, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.